What's up, guys? I'm back with the appearance upgrade for my Mustang. So as you can see, the tail lights are in, and maybe I'll actually turn the key so y'all can see like what these lights does. So I have like 3 LED rings that lights up when that key is on. So I had to straight wire these to a ignition turn on. Reason for that, they didn't work properly like American Muscle said they would. So I had to kind of do my own thing. So, but that's what the light used to look like. And that's what they look like now. So like I said, the moral of the story was to tone down some of the chrome on the car. Been like that forever. So I wanted to go with a black look, and that's what that looks like. We're gonna go along and show you the front right now. We're gonna come back and turn the key on so you can see what the LED looks like. So just hang on for a minute. So here on the front is basically just the upgraded black headlight, same as the chrome headlight that I had in the car before, which is right here. Like I said in the last video, my halo, well, my projector and my last lights was angel eye, which was like a purple looking, if you can see that. But these is just a black projector, so we're just gonna deal with it. I mean, I did like the purple and blue looking angel eye with the blue on the top. Well, with my paint, it kind of makes it look kind of uniform and unique, but we just have to roll with it. So what I did with these lights right here, I had HIDs in the low beam. So I did away with the HID and put just a regular LED 6K. I had 8K HIDs. I did away with those. And right here, I put a LED 6K there. So in these old lights, I just had a regular bulb. So you can see the purple now in there. Those are just black. That's the only thing I'm hating, but overall, the black lights look better. So I'm about to turn the key and let y'all see the rear LEDs. So just hang on a second. Okay, so there you have it. That's what the LEDs look like during the day and night. So basically, those are like running lights. So when I start the car and just driving, those are lights to be on. All right, I'm sorry, I had to pause that. Marie just started playing in the background from the car. So yeah, so these are the running lights basically during the day and night. But when I turn the lights on, all 3 of these light up. When I hit brakes, they hit, and then the blinker flash. But these are running lights for the daytime. And 2 other changes that I made in the car, I did change my radio out. I put an Alpine in here, USB. We're gonna get in the car right now and show you. So hang on. All right, guys. So we install an Alpine, Bluetooth, USB. No CD player, just USB and Bluetooth. And we got the Bluetooth mic right there. Like I said, never had a Bluetooth in this car. Didn't come from the factory with one. So we installed one. And also, we installed a CP Audio 2K. We had the 3K in for a while, and then we did away with the 3K. Actually, we sent it back to CP Audio because they needed to do some testing on some stuff they had going on. But they sent me a 2K to do testing on, which the 2K I actually put on the CP Audio 1200 series sub. But I got it wired in. Let me let y'all look at it. So hang on. Okay, CP Audio 2K, guys. Nothing special back here. Just need cleaning up a little bit. I kind of tried to make the wires a little bit neater back here, because I had the Hyphonics mounted on the box. But just a 4-channel Rockford 300.4 and a CP Audio 2K wired at like 1.1. on those, on the 3 CP12s. So all of this I've done for this car. I still got a little bit more to do on cleaning. You know, I need to clean back here. I want to neaten this up. Yeah, as I was saying, still some more initial cleaning to do on this. All in favor of, I'll be taking this car to Scraping the Coast this year. So if you're at Scraping the Coast, come check it out. Come get a demo of the 3 CP12s. And the wheels are installed. They are installed. The wheels are on the car. But I won't reveal the wheels right now. So just come to Scraping and just check the car out. I should be parked over by the bathroom like I normally, which is my new spot, which I got a car club I pretty much just hang out with over there. Hopefully they'll see this video, which would be a Mercedes, a pearl white Mercedes. I forgot my homeboy name, but it's a pearl white Mercedes. He got a black and orange Camaro hardtop, and then his partner got the Riviera. That's two-tone black and orange. I'll try to tag that video at the end of this video so y'all can go back and watch those guys. But yeah, I'm gonna be parked over there by them. Like I said, the wheels are installed, but I don't want to reveal the wheels right now. So tell you what, let's do this. The first person that come to me at Scraping the Coast and tell me that they watched this video and they came to look at the Mustang, I'll have some freebies for you. I repeat, the first person that come to me and tell me that they watched this video and they come check out the Mustang and they want a demo of the 3 CP Audio 12s, I got some freebies for you. Matter of fact, let me just pop the trunk and let y'all see this, the 3 CP Audio 600 Series 12s, just in case y'all just not catching up to some video. Right, so here's the 3 CP Audio 600 Series 12s. If you missed the video when I actually did this and installed these subs and actually went to a car show event and got shut down by moms and pops, I also linked that video so you can go watch it. But at the same token, the first person that walks up to me and tell me that they watched this video and they actually want to get a demo of the 3 CP12s and look at the new wheels on my new Mustang, with my new wheels on my Mustang, like I said, I'll release some freebies to you. So until then, see y'all guys at Scraping, man. Peace, much love. Subscribe to Hotbed 6 on.